How to download Instagram photos. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to download Instagram photos. Do watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you have to launch the Instagram app on your device. Ensure to log into your account and you have to locate the particular image which you want to download on your Instagram. Suppose if this is the picture that I want to download, simply when you tap the three dots on this picture, you will see different options like save, add to favorites, hide about this account, and unfollow or report, where there is no particular built-in download feature on Instagram. So simply what you need to do is simply take a screenshot from this page, exit from Instagram and open the gallery or any app where your photo has been saved. So here is the picture. Simply tap the edit icon at the bottom left corner of the screen and then select crop and rotate. You simply need to crop the picture in this way and tap on the tick mark at bottom right corner and tap the save button. And it has already been saved to your device, and people won't notice that you have taken a screenshot from Instagram. Simply they will think that you have downloaded Instagram photo. So for now, this is only the idea in order to download Instagram photos. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching.